Thank you very much, Mr. Roshan. I joined for his batch 5 MasterMind Wealth Management course, and there I learned a lot about personal wealth management, which rarely we got from somewhere else. So we have conducted, so we may have participated for school education, university education, professional qualification, but we rarely get the knowledge about personal wealth management. There we mostly know about how to manage the finance of the corporate institutes or the companies. So this education is very much important, and I think it's very useful at an era where the economy in Sri Lanka is at a downward trend. So we can make it upwards if we can manage all our personal finances well while managing the corporate or the as an economy as all as well. So I recommend this course for everyone. Thank you very much.
පාඨමාලාවට සම්බන්ධ වීමට සහ වැඩි විස්තර සඳහා අමතන්න 076 56 78 78 4 MasterMind ජයග්‍රහණයට ඉලක්කය.